Ramogi waridre nyake dhuad nam chumbi kama nonro mar kambi Infotrack yango ni jaod bura mamvita Abdul Swamad Sharif emani kod uma mar bedo governor ma county ma Mombasa pononi yiero inyalo bag kawuononi.
Nonro miyo Swamad atamalo 48 mar sir lwedo.
Kaluwore gi duoko mar ombulu mar paranoja ohala ma gwenge makadho nam chumbi Suleiman Shabal ni ethuolo mar ariyo gi atamalo 18 ka seneta machon mar county no Hassan Omar mar UDA to nomako thuolo mar adek gi atamalo 5 kende.
E huma mar jachung' mar laro content piny Kenya yiero mahiga ni ogai mar ODM kendo jachung' mar Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga pode ma otelo gi atamalo 52 ka iluwe machiegni gi jalup jatend piny William Ruto manigi atamalo 29.
When we asked them who they would vote for between the 9th and the 12th of March, if elections were held between that window, then Abdul Swamad Sharif Nasir would score 48%, Suleiman Shabal would have recorded 18%, Hassan Omar Sarai would have scored 5%, Ali Menzambogo would have scored 4%. If elections were held between the 9th and 12th of March, who would they vote for as their president for that day? And Raila Odinga has a score of 52%, William Ruto 29%, Kalonzo Musyoka at 1%. And we asked which political parties do you think you're closest to? So with regard to that, ODM has 46% followership, with UDA 24%, Jubilee 2%, and Wiper at 1%. Azimio la Umoja is perceived to be the most popular at 51%. Kenya Kwanza Alliance 23%. Then One Kenya Alliance, that is OKA, only has 3% popularity.